Good evening, second English students. We will continue when Lincoln came to Pittsburgh. And so we are here, Tom and Mark are there, and they are unable to see President Abraham Lincoln. Let me tell you a point that he was about to inaugurate. Okay, he was elected as president, and the inauguration of Abraham Lincoln as president is about to take place. During the time itself, civil war broke between white and black. Civil war, literally the war between between the country fellows. They have their own army and they have their own army, and such kind of civil war broke in America. During that time only Abraham Lincoln became the American president. Okay, and he was completely in support of black people, and it was he who gave the right to black for right to vote for the black people. Okay, it was Abraham Lincoln who gave the black people the right to vote, but it was not implemented properly, and still the controversy, the problem between black and white is still prevailing in America. Okay, so it was about to inaugurate as the President of America, and before that he visits Pittsburgh, and there was a huge crowd. Mark and Tom was struggling to see Abraham Lincoln, and Tom is saying to Mark, do you able to hear Abraham Lincoln's voice? No people were around us, and because of their noise, I am unable to hear anything. And likewise, they are talking, and John and Spike, and they managed to slip through the crowd, and they managed to reach to the front row of the crowd. Okay, so they are small boys, and they are able to easily crawl around, though it is very risky, but they managed to crawl between the legs of people, and they managed to reach the front line of the crowd. Okay. And now John and Spike are talking, and when did Lincoln arrived here? Yesterday itself he arrived, and my father said. So John is saying to Spike asked John that when did Abraham Lincoln arrive to this place? Yesterday itself he arrived, and my father said this one. And John is saying, please, John is asking a lady to to move a little bit, okay, so that I will be able to see Lincoln. And John is saying to Spike that one day I will be a president like him. And then comes, already Abraham Lincoln was there. He is able to see, Mark and Spike are able to see Abraham Lincoln, and Abraham Lincoln is about to give the speech, and the assistants of the assistant of Abraham Lincoln say that President's speech, all of you be silent, and then the whole crowd becomes silent, and then he gives a speech, and he gives a speech that the clouds of war, and then finally it will become a rainbow. Okay, so there are war between the cloud, and after the war between the cloud, there will be a rainbow. So the symbolic meaning is that there is war between black and white people, and after the war, there will be rainbow, there will be happiness, which is what I am making for. So he never makes use of civil war or the problem between black people and white people, but he metaphorically gives a speech. Okay, and Now John is saying to Spike that I want to meet President. I want to shake my hands with the President. And Spike says it is impossible. No, I will crawl between the legs of people, and then I will manage to see and shake my hands with Abraham Lincoln. And he manages to, he struggles a lot to move between the legs of people, and at that time he says that ladies also should wear pants, so that ladies also should wear pants, so that I can easily be able to move or move between the legs. And be careful, you may be lost, but he doesn't mind it, and he simply manages to reach President Abraham Lincoln. And all of a sudden John, actually it is Mr. Dunn, D-U-N, and he is talking with Abraham Lincoln. It is pleasure to meet you. And Abraham Lincoln also says that yes, I am also very happy to meet you. This is a conversation between Abraham Lincoln and Mrs. Dunn. At the time they are talking, and at that time John comes, and Abraham Lincoln himself sees little boy John. Yes, who are you, little boy? How did you manage to be here? And he says, I am John Goucher, and I want to. I simply crept between the legs of people, and I managed to see you. So you struggle. Abraham Lincoln says, so you struggled a lot to see me. Why did you do so? And I just want to ask you many questions. I want to talk with you. I just want to ask you some questions. Then just go ahead. Abraham Lincoln says, and John says to Abraham Lincoln that one day I will be a great president like you, and I will do good things, many good things to people. And Lincoln replies that yes, you will be a great person, we will have success. And then John asks, how to be great like you? Okay, and then Abraham Lincoln says that all of us are great, you and me, everyone are equally great, but what are we going to do? So you should have a noble ambition. And already you have the noble ambition of serving people, and follow that ambition, and then you will get success. So this is the conversation between Abraham Lincoln and John, the little boy John Goucher. That is, he simply crept between the legs of people, and when he is talking, when Lincoln is talking with the important person, Mr. Dunn, and all of a sudden he comes near to Abraham Lincoln, and he says, actually Abraham Lincoln was very much surprised to see the little boy, and he appreciated that he struggled a lot to see him. And why do you want to meet me? What is the purpose? And he asked, I want to ask several questions, I want to share something. And he says that I want to be a great president like you and do good things. And for that, Lincoln replies that yes, you will be a great person like me. And he asks, how to be great like you? And Lincoln replies that all of us are equally great, but the noble purpose is that serving people, and have that purpose in the noble ambition. The noble practice is that serve people. If you have that one, then you will have success. And then John says that okay, thank you, President. And then Abraham Lincoln meets another person, and he meets Colonel Meade. Okay, so that's all for today's class. And what happens next, we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you. Good night.